Yoga, the ancient science of soul. It is a psychophysiological practice by which human blood is decarbonated and recharged with oxygen. It gives the simultaneous development of body, mind, intellect and soul. It is accurate like mathematical calculations. With the proper practice of Kriya Yoga, an advanced Kriya Yogi can easily transmute his body cells into energy and can materialize and dematerialize his body at will. Great Kriya Yogis like Sri Lahiri Mahashaya and Sri Yukteswara Giri performed resurrections after their samadhi with the help of this great science. Great Siddhas can recreate their body with the help of higher yogic techniques like Kriya Yoga. Hope you have heard about the still living saints like Sage Agastya, Gautama Buddha and Mahavatar Babaji. Before thousands of years ago, there was no prophets and incarnations, no various faiths and holy books, no isms and different sectarian views, nothing of today's confusion. But there existed the infinite supreme being and Kriya Yoga, the eternal science of breathing. Yes, the supreme being, the creator, brought the great mystery of Kriya Yoga technique with his creation itself. He is the founder of Kriya Yoga. This holy science has nothing in common with the unscientific physical exercises and breath techniques taught by various misguided masters, which all comes under the same title Yoga. Modern world received this great knowledge of Kriya Yoga in 19th century from Lahiri Mahashaya, who worked in the engineering department of Indian military service. Lahiri Mahashaya received it from the great Guru Mahavatar Babaji, who regained this technique after it had been lost in the dark ages. Babaji initiated Lahiri Mahashaya in a cave situated in Rani Khet in the holy Himalayas. According to Babaji, Kriya Yoga is the revival of the same science that Sri Krishna gave millenniums ago to Arjuna and that was later known to Maharshi Patanjali, Jesus Christ, Saint John, Saint Paul and other disciples. Saint Elijah, Saint Kabir, Adi Shankaracharya, they all had the proper understanding of this technique. Babaji himself restricted this great knowledge only to the genuine disciples. In Kriya Yoga, there is great importance in the true lineage of gurus. There is certain confusion among the Kriya Yoga practitioners about the authenticity of the technique they are following. There can be some variations according to the lineage. Preserving the purity of lineage is having great role in this science. The quality of Kriya Yoga practice should be maintained strictly from the changes and distortions that can happen by the unauthorized masters and their lineages around the globe. According to the great gurus of this lineage, during the time of initiation itself, people can feel the power of God which is activating within. By the step-by-step practice of this technique, people will get knowledge about the consciousness and super consciousness. The true yogi will unite his mind with the super conscious forces in the spinal shrines and lives in this world according to the divine plans. Kriya Yoga helps us to enrich ourselves with the spiritual nectar which nourishes and rejuvenates our body cells, spine and brain centers to prepare proper platform to welcome the heavenly blessings. Mahavatar Babaji's video link is given in the description. Please check that to know more about the immortal Guru. Please read the book An Autobiography of a Yogi, written by Paramahamsa Yogananda, an advanced Kriya Yogi. Wishing good luck for practicing Kriya Yoga. Thank you.